Today, we're going to learn how to do a square lashing. Typically, you need a square lashing when you're trying to join two branches together in a T shape or a cross. I'm not sure how you call it. Now, first, tie a clovefish on the bottom branch. The branch that is supposed to be under. Once you got the clovefish secured, place the upper branch here, and you can start frapping. So go above the horizontal one, under the vertical one, above the horizontal one, and under the vertical one again. Make sure the rope doesn't overlap, otherwise it will be quite annoying. Don't forget to tighten every once in a while, as if you're just simply frapping, the lashing won't be tight. Now that you're finished with one side, let's repeat this for the other way. Go under the horizontal, over the vertical, under the horizontal, and over the vertical. Repeat this for around 4 more times. Don't forget to tighten. Now, to finish things off, tie a clovefish on the upper part of the string, upper part of the vertical pole. Make sure to tighten. And you can, if you have any leftover string, you should have that this much. You can finish it off with some half hitches, like this. Make sure that half hitches are close to the clovefish though. Now you repeat this until you run out of rope, but as this is a pretty long rope and the pole is pretty short, it won't fit, so that's the end of the video.